Meditation has the power to transform your mind, body, and spirit in profound ways. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate inner peace. Incorporating an academic hour into your daily schedule can significantly impact your academic journey by improving focus, productivity, time management, and consistency in your learning routine. We wrap up our exploration of lunchtime. Remember that this midday break is more than just a time to eat. It's a chance to refuel our bodies, recharge our minds, and connect with others. Whether we're on the field, in the stands, or watching from home, sports captivate our hearts and minds. So, set aside dedicated time, create an ideal study environment, manage your time wisely, adopt effective study strategies, and make revision a priority.